Hello students, today we're going to be talking about making predictions. So it's going to go from what we've been learning with the probability, and then you're going to take it a step farther and be able to make a prediction based on your experiment. So we're going to take a look at this example here. So you select a marble without looking and then put it back. So this is nice probability. If you do this 10 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times we'll pick a green marble? So it looks like we're looking at the green marbles. So first what we gotta do is we have to find the probability of getting that green marble. So this is talking about the simple probability we've been doing. So we count the number of greens. So we have 1, 2, 3 greens out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marbles. So our probability of getting a green is 3 out of 10. If you divide this and you divide 3 by 10, then you're also going to get 0.3. And I sometimes like to work with decimals more for these problems because we have to take it a step farther. So now that we found the probability of getting this green marble, we have to figure out how many times we would get it if we did this 10 times. So you take your probability of the green, so 0.3, and you just multiply it by the number of times you're doing that experiment, so 10 times. So once again, that's right where we're getting the 10 from. So if you do this, you do 0.3 times 10, you're going to get 3. So your answer here would be, if I was to do this experiment 10 times, I would predict I would get a green marble 3 times. And that is how you find what we call relative frequency, or you make a prediction.